Every iPhone begins its journey in one of the most advanced manufacturing ecosystems on Earth.
Premium materials are sourced globally to meet Apple's strict standards.
Each frame is precision milled from a solid block of aluminum. Robotic polishing ensures a flawless surface and perfect symmetry. Anodization strengthens the metal while adding signature color tones. Every microscopic impurity is removed before assembly. Specially engineered glass delivers durability and clarity. Laser precision ensures perfect edge alignment. Multiple layers combine to create a responsive display. Assembly occurs in ultra-clean environments. The logic board is the brain of the iPhone.
Thousands of connections are soldered with microscopic accuracy.
Camera systems are assembled with extreme optical precision. Every internal component is pre-calibrated. The assembly line brings all components together. Every battery is designed for performance and safety. Displays are bonded seamlessly to the body. Seals ensure resistance against water and dust. Seals ensure resistance against water and dust. Software brings the hardware to life. Each device is powered on for the first time. Color accuracy is individually calibrated.
Every sensor and speak is tested.
Human inspection ensures perfection.
Final cleaning prepares the device for packaging. Packaging reflects Apple's minimal design philosophy. Millions of iPhones begin their journey worldwide.
From raw materials to your hands, low and oil. This is how iPhone is manufactured.